Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to show you till now we have done the implementation we have done till now. So we are creating a soil irrigation system for precision farming, which will detect the soil moisture and notify the farmer that whether the soil contains less moisture or more moisture and why is it's necessary to to provide water in the farm or not. So this is the main sensor script. We are mainly creating our project in Python. So this is the main Python script through which Python will communicate with the sensor. So this read sensor function will set up all the hardware, will set up all the things to communicate with the sensors, and this run function will main function of this code. So this will take all the data from the sensors which is required and do according to it and do according whatever it is needed. So now I am first going to explain you about this GPS class. This Python script is going to detect the live location or real-time location of the device in which of the farmer. So from this Python script, we are detecting the location of the farm and this data we got in the form of JSON, and this data is transferred to the weather forecasting script, and this script will take the location and find that whether the rain is going to have what is the real-time weather condition of that location. So it will return us that whether the rain is going to happen or not on the following thing on the basis of following scripts I have written. So now moving on to the sensor main data, this will what this script will do. This will first take the sensor data from this will first take the data from the sensor and detect that whether the soil contain less moisture or not. If the soil contain less moisture, then it will first find the weather condition of that location at real time. If the rain is also not going to happen at that location, then it will send WhatsApp notification to the farmer and to switch on the pump and water the plant. Else, it don't send any notification to the farmer as rain is going to happen or soil contain more amount of moisture. Now I'm going to explain you the backend we have created till now for our application. So we have created the backend for our application using Fast API of Python, Fast API library of Python. So this is the main file where all the API is going to connect and called. And this is the router file. This file contains all the types of API we are going to our app contains. So basically till now we have created for registration and user login in API, and uh, this contain all the per table. This file contain the table that we have created for storing all the user details, and this file contain all the parenthetics and all the schema for our database, and it's still in progress, and we are going to add many more things in this file. And talking about this file contain this file is used to store our password in by through hashing. We are not storing the password in the database directly. We are going to store the password of the user after hashing for security purpose. So in this database.py file, this file is going to communicate with the database through Python, and through in config.py file, we are going to do all the configuration we are needed for this for the database. And in auth.py file, we have done all the authentication we have done for till now for user login through JWT token. Now we are going to show you how we so our server is live now. So this is the registration API, this is login API, this is for our account API, this is for generating token API, and after generating token, if we provide the token to this API, this will route route the user to the application. So as we do all the information, after filling all the information, as we execute this registration API, we have it's loading, and there is a ID. We have to change the ID as ID4 is still available in the database. So we have got this user is registration successfully. So to check that the registration is happened or not, we are going to check that. So we have got, so here the current user is details is being stored in the database. Now to log in, we have we are going to execute this API. So to execute this API, we need to password and phone number. So the password is this, and phone number. Now if we execute this API, this will log in and route us to the application. So this whole process is that at first this it will check to the database that this phone number exists or not. If this exists, then it will check that the password is correct or not. Then it will generate a JWT token, and that token is passed to verify that the token is currently active or not. The token is not expired till now, and if the token is not expired, then user will route to its application. So we have built our application till now here, and we keep on uh, implementing more features day by day, and thank you everyone. Till now we have improved this much, and we are going to implement the whole system as soon as possible.